that it's like going in this direction, the x-axis.
In quantitative engineering analysis, we have the students work at the whiteboards a lot. This accomplishes three things for the students. Firstly, it allows them to make their work visible to their peers, who they are working with and sharing ideas with as they work through the material. Second off, it makes them more systematic about the work that they're doing. They're presenting it to someone while they're doing it, which allows them to be more clear about their steps, think more carefully and clearly through the stepwise approach to their problem. And thirdly, it allows them to integrate graphical visualizations of their material with their quantitative calculations. Additionally, as the faculty circulate through the room, we can see the student work and respond to it real time, catching them in misconceptions, helping them with places where they've gotten stuck as they need the assistance, providing just-in-time help for them when they really need it.
Gravity will still point directly downwards, right?
But it's like the component.
But the component is, you need to find